everyone, Rockape here, and today we're playing Morse COD. If you're new to this series, we're taking a look at indie games made by people like you, games made by people like me. Basically, small games by small developers looking to make it big in the world of development, looking to do it just as a hobby, looking to do it just to make a little bit of money. And we're looking for hidden indie gems within the world of games. This one stuck out to me because I saw the name Dave Lloyd and I instantly recognized it as one of my favorite co-op games. He made Crawl, which I think is available on the Switch. It's also available on PC, which is where I played it. Very fun 4-player dungeon game. So I thought, you know what? I want to give this one a go. Morse COD was made over 48 hours for the Global Game Jam, which just ended. That was between the 26th and 28th of January. There was loads of games, loads of really fun looking games, so we'll probably end up playing them at some point in the series. But I wanted to start off with this one because it looked pretty cool. You just use the arrows.
Centuries of peace with our nautical neighbors have collapsed. If you ask me, the whole thing was a bloody ruse. Beneath these waves lies an incalculable invasionary force. Lieutenant, you're charged with the unenviable task of tactical command of His Majesty's front lines at the beachheads of Torquay. Should you fail, we'll all be up to our necks in pilchards.
So, it's kind of... I gotta use a line. ... dash. That's what we gotta remember. This is a Morse code based, like, tower defense game. I think that's a really clever idea. I love it. Because it kind of teaches you Morse code. That's why it stuck out to me as a game I really wanted to try. I really love the sound effects on this as well. That's it. Get him! Oh, too many. Okay. And he at the top.
Smashing job, Lieutenant. It's of paramount importance that you not underestimate these fishy bastards.
I love the voice work. It's by Adrian Vaughn. And I love the sound. Lewis Mayer and Michael Tornaban. Tornaban? I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. But they worked on this together to do the sound. It's getting a little tougher now. I gotta get those walruses. The question is, why? Why are the sea life coming out to get us? Dot, dash, dot, dot. There we go. Dot, dash, dash. Oh, dot, dot, dash, dash, dot. Okay. Dot, dash. Dot, dot, dot. There we go. That's the last one. Sea turtle. Yes. I love games like this where they're educational and they can be fun at the same time. It kind of reminds me of Plants vs. Zombies, but with Morse code. I've never seen a game use Morse code before.
Made his maiden speech today, impressing the crowds of cheering Londoners with his formidable mustache as he launched into his stirring first address.
The thing about game jams like this, they can create a quick idea, and it doesn't have to be very good. Oh no, these don't tell you what I need. But over time, if they want, they can develop on their games. I think that's the important part. Developing on an idea they've already made. Because I've seen it plenty of times. What was that again? Dash, dot. Oh, can I just use any of them? Dash, dot, dash, dot. I can. Oh, sweet. G. I thought they were in a row on purpose. What was B? Dash, dot, dash, dot, dot, dot. What was F? Dot, dot, dash, dash. Dot, dot, dash, dot. What's the last one? R. Dot dash dot dot dash dot 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 dash dot dot dash dot. So I can have two of them. Oh, I can have them all shoot at the same time. Dot dash dot.
The widespread
That's
flooding
better.
of Scotland's commenced today as part of Prime Minister Tusk's brilliant strategy to drown out the
So what was I saying? It's so games like this.
You can hear from the screams of the unfortunate enemy caught in the rising waters. His genius scheme will
They can be
surely turn the
quickly
tide of
made,
war.
but then
A
over
certain
time,
victory for Old England.
they can work on them to be proper little games. Let's all work on this turtle together. Dot dash dot. Dot 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 dot. Dot dash dot. Dot. Oh, better get these whales. These blue whales. Okay, they're all firing. I don't know if a turtle has more health than a whale. Maybe they do more damage to the whales.
Prime Minister
Okay, good.
Tusk's Operation Dolphin Drown was diligently executed. Unfortunately, intelligence has revealed that at some stage in the last 6 million years,
There's
the
been a
enemy has
game
evolved the
that started off
capacity
as a
to
game
freeze
jam
underwater,
game. I think it's called Celeste.
consequently all the adjacent regions to the
It's been
front
given
are
10 out of
infested
10s
with briny baddies.
by a lot of
It's time
companies.
for heroics, I'm afraid.
What's a
Hold
W?
nothing back, Lieutenant.
Dot line line. And this could easily be a game like that, where it takes a little bit of polish. And that's all it is to get a decent game. Release it in like a year. Dash dot dot. Dash dot dot. What's O? Three dashes. M is 2. Dash dot dash dot. Dash dot dot. What was it? Dash dot dash dash. Damn it! Dash dot dash dot. Dash dot dash dot. What's S? Dot 2 3. E. They're all firing at the whale. Okay. Dash dot dash dot dash dot. They're all firing at the turtle.
Celebration today is manatees
But why?
down Downing Street.
Why are the animals coming from the sea and trying to get
The
us?
streets as our gallant new leaders take their rightful place, liberating London from the tyranny of terrestrial
That's what I want to know.
ushering in a new age of marine prosperity.
Why are they so angry at us? Is it all the whale fishing? All the dolphin fishing?
Knowing they'll shortly be defeated
We kind of
by
deserve
our
this.
aquatic allies.
I should let them get past. What's H? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. E is just a single one. E is just a single one, I said. I said it made me do T. Okay, L is dot dash dot dot. Dot dash dot dot. R dot dash dot. Dot dot dash dot. A dot dash. I double dots. N dash dot. H 1 2 3 4. S 1 2 3 2 3. L dot dash dot dot. Oh no, N, they stopped. R. The only problem with this is the letters. You can't really see too well. Dash dot dash dot. That dash dot dash dot. What should I do for blue? H. What was H? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. A dot dash. E. Just a simple dot. Oh, so close to losing all my health.
Victory for Britain.
Oh, we did it!
Mods, our plucky lads have beaten back those wet invaders at the beaches of Torquay. But our jolly
Torquay.
heroes weren't content with just that victory. Oh no.
We protected the
Marching
beaches
across
of
Devon
Torquay.
and through the southwest, our best left a wake of gutted fish and clubbed baby seals. Finally reaching the capital, they swiftly undammed the Thames, restoring London to its dry former glory. In other news, Victoria's Prime Minister Tusk announced his shock resignation today. The beloved politician will retire off the coast of Yorkshire and looks forward to focusing on his favourite pastimes, basking and challenging other males for social dominance. As his last duty as PM, Tusk awarded the highest honours to those heroic operators of the electric telegraph for a frightfully...
It really goes into a lot of detail.
Huzzah!
So yeah, this has been Morse COD.
And as the aquatic menace approach our shores, our lads await orders from the electric telegraph, ready to unleash hell on our briny foe.
I think-
They set one fin on old Blighty. Tally-ho, lads! Send those salty blighters packing.
I don't think we should have really came to Britain. I would think if they wanted to get their revenge, they should have gone for Japan. Because they seem to do a lot of whale and dolphin fishing. China probably do a lot of whale fishing, I imagine. They probably have Chinese medicinal herbs that they can use with them. Like they do with like shark bones and stuff. Shark fin soup. So I think Britain, pretty low on the list of countries that the fish should rise up and destroy. So that's all I'm saying. I think the letters may have done better if they weren't on white on yellow background, because that was kind of hard to see. But I loved the sound effects and the voice acting was pretty good. So overall, it's a fun little game. And if you're interested, check it out in the description below. If you're interested in finding the rest of the games from the Global Game Jam, it'll be floating around somewhere in Twitter or something. Just hashtag, I think it's GGJ 2018, and you'll find them. Yeah, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.